Hello guys, it's CryptoMarketTeleSM.com, and on today's video I'm going to show you two sites which I personally believe is one of the best sites that can pay you up to $25 per hour in a very legit and nice way, free to start, and you can get your check every end of month or every 2 weeks based on the sites I'm going to show you directly to your mail. So before we go ahead and start this video and show you these two sites, stick with me all the way down to the end so I can explain you how you can proceed. And before we go ahead and start this video, go ahead and click the subscribe that is located on the right of this screen at all times and become a member of my channel. It's a great honor to have you guys. I want you to be part of my channel so I can get your feedback as well and improve. So with no further ado, let's go ahead and start this video today. As I'm telling you, it's going to be for two websites, guys. They can make you up to $25 per hour. This is, I think, the best, one of the best sites for 2018 that you can get 25 USD per hour by doing these methods. So the site I'm going to talk to you, the one site I'm going to talk to you is 3playmedia.com. All the links again, guys, is listed below in this video, so you can get everything in the description. And through the 3playmedia.com, what this site does, if you scroll down a little bit, 3Play Media goes beyond just another captioning company and provides us with the tools to be efficient and innovative at a cost that doesn't burn our budget. This is basically for the companies that hire them, and then they hire us to do some work. So there is a couple of options you can do. You can is basically based on captioning, transcription, audio description, and translation and subtitling. This is what the 4 tasks that you will be doing if you join and become a member. So what you need to do, guys, what you will be required, of course you require good internet connection, high-speed internet connection. You need to be pretty accurate in your English and your grammar. So if you are really good on this, because they're going to give you an audio description with a text, and you need to hear the audio, and just to make sure that the text you're gonna be reading is okay. If you find any mistakes, for example, you need to fix them and submit. You will be getting paid once a month, and you have the option to get a check in your mail, or if you want, you can have a direct bank account deposit in your account. Either way works best for you. So this is one of the sites I'm going to talk to you. This, guys, is a very legit way to do. As you can see, they have been hired and working with more than 2,500 customers, including T-Mobile, IRS, Yale University, The Economist, major brands, guys, major brands. So we're talking about something very legit, very popular, so you have nothing to worry when it comes to be accurate and legit. Now, how you apply for these ones, I want you to go to company. If you come to under the company, click here and you go to jobs, it will bring you here, and you will be able to get the description and just follow. Just come here, 1 second, yeah, come here, see our available contract work. You just click on the contract work here, and you have the option, especially if you are United States located or Latin America, where Spanish is very popular. You'll be able to choose between English and Spanish based on what you are able to provide. If you know very good on both languages, go ahead and apply for 2. The more business you have in, the more contracts you get, the more money you come in. So 3playmedia.com, one of the sites I'm going to show you, and the next site, guys, that you can make up to $25 per hour, even for the 3Play Media. The hourly paid is between 10 and 25. So if you are good in English and you are good in your project, you'll be getting 25 USD per hour. Now, same applies for this next site, which is called NexRep.com. Again, description, on the description below you'll find all the links you need. And what you do here, guys, pretty much what you require for the NexRep.com is to have a high-speed internet, a USB headset with a good voice cancellation, because you're gonna be like providing customer service. You're gonna have inbound and outbound sales and calls. As you can see here, if you scroll down, if you do the inbound sales, you're gonna doing direct marketing, e-commerce, and any customer need satisfaction you need to provide. You'll be doing customer service, either tier 1 or tier 2 support, and you are able to do outbound sales as well, like retention programs, marketing initiatives, and so on. And they even have some beauty, beauty advisors that you can provide. So if you are into that, you can do that as well. So this is it, guys. This is what I'm telling you about the second sign. You can hit or either want to become an agent, or by the join us on the top, you can go join us. Sorry, mouse is dropping, and ready to apply our agent opportunities. If you go to the agents opportunities, you can see what exactly are the available jobs that needed. So you can see here as well, currently needed for sales, inbound sales, and so on. Now this also is working 100% almost in commissions. You are getting paid twice a week, sorry, twice every 2 weeks, sorry guys, twice a month every 2 weeks, and the same thing applies. You're going to be getting your money on a check on your mail, or through a direct bank account that you provide to them. And is usually, from the feedback we have from the existing working in force, is that you're getting about 25 USD per hour. So two both legit ways you can work from home, free to start. You need to apply for them for depending on which of the position you want, and you can make up to 25 USD dollars starting now. Go ahead. You can try both sides to see which one is better than the other. First one, it's a little bit requiring a little bit more writing and be good in English. The second one is requiring a little bit more talking. So depending which one you feel more comfortable doing, either the writing or the talking, or you can do both, and you can get very good money based on the opportunity that will be provided for you. So this is what I wanted to show you guys today. One nice way of making, actually two nice ways of making up to 25 USD dollars. And if you are interested to make a little bit more, to change your income, to make more money out of it, don't forget to click the link description below so you can see my #1 recommendation, tested, always tested, proved way to make passive income from the comfort of the house every single day, week, month. Money comes in even if when you sleep. Once you set it up with proof, everything is ready for you. You just need to click and follow. And if you like the content of this video, guys, I would like to ask you, if you have already, clicked the thumbs up, to subscribe to my channel. It's a great honor to have you. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you on the next one. Stay tuned, start making some money. Thank you, guys.